What's up guys, this is Steve from Santech IT Solutions. This is part 5 of my bare bones kit video series, and in this video I'll be unboxing the Solid Gear Neutron 650 watt power supply. I always recommend at least 650 watts for anyone building a custom gaming PC. Inside the box we have our power cord. We also have some twisty ties and some screws. Those will be important later. Let's take a look at the power supply, and we'll run through the different power connectors it comes with. There's several different types of power connectors that come with this power supply. I'll go through each one and tell you what they're for. Here we have a 24-pin main power connector. This supplies the main power to the motherboard. Next one up is the 8-pin power, or what's called the secondary power for the CPU. Here's a 6+2 power connector, and this is for the video card. In addition to those, we have 4 SATA power connectors. These are for your optical and storage devices. Right here, you can see these are the 15-pin SATA power connectors. For those of you taking A+, this is what those look like. And last but not least, we have Molex power connectors. This particular power supply comes with 3 of those and a floppy power connector as well. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure to check out the video where I install this into my case unit. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.